In this video, I will show you how to trade 4-star stickers in Monopoly Go. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see on Monopoly Go. Now to go ahead and actually trade 4-star stickers, it's actually quite easy to do. So what you're going to want to do first is come down and press onto your album. And what you want to do, basically any 4-star stickers that you want to trade, you can only trade if you have duplicates. So for example, if I come into one of my sets, let's go into this one here, and you can see one of the stickers in here, the 4-star sticker I have, Mr. Snowman, it says +1, which means I do have a duplicate of this sticker. Now to go ahead and trade this, all you want to do is go ahead and press onto the sticker, and at the bottom you're going to see an orange button which says send to friend. Now you're able to trade 5 stickers daily. I think the time limit is 12 hours, so once you've gone ahead and done 5 trades, you need to wait 12 hours before you're able to trade another 5 stickers. But all you want to do is basically press onto the orange send to friend button, and then you would just go ahead and choose your friend from the list to trade this sticker to. Once you've gone ahead and done that, they would then repeat the process. So they would copy and they would basically go into their album and repeat the process to send the sticker back to you that you want to trade. So there is actually an official Discord group for Monopoly Go, and one of the channels on here is 4-star trading, as you can see here. So what you can do is come into this channel, and you can use this channel to actually message anyone that has any stickers that you need, that you want to trade. And there is also an official Facebook group that you can do this for as well. So that is how to go ahead and trade 4-star stickers on Monopoly Go. I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I'd really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.